Now I will show you how to download and install Cellframe Wallet on desktop and mobile devices, and then I will explain how to create your wallet. Cellframe Wallet is a convenient application with flexible interface settings and different options for connecting to a node. On PC, Cellframe Wallet is available for Windows, macOS, and Linux. Among mobile platforms, Cellframe Wallet is currently available for Android. Let's start with installing on Windows. Open your browser, go to the official Cellframe website, and go to the Cellframe products page via the download button. Select the Windows platform and download the installation file. After downloading, open the file and start the installation. If your system warns that it may be unsafe, select Run Anyway. After that, a Cellframe Wallet shortcut will appear on your desktop. Launch the application. You need to select a node connection mode. In light mode, some tabs such as Console and Master Node are unavailable, since they are intended for working with a node and are only activated in modes where the wallet connects to your own node, local or remote. But if you only need the wallet for token operations and trading on Cellframe DEX, the light mode will be sufficient. Select the mode, click Accept, and get started. To work in local mode, you need to install a node on your device. Cellframe Wallet will offer to download it. Click Download. You will be redirected to the official website, cellframe.net, where you can download the Cellframe node installer. Run the installer and follow the instructions. Next, finish. At first launch, the node will create the necessary files and begin synchronizing with the network. You can choose only the main backbone network or add KelVPN to it. In Cellframe Wallet, click Accept, and the wallet will automatically detect the node and connect to it. On Android, the process is similar. Download the app from the official source and launch it. The mobile wallet is only available in light mode, so there will be no step for selecting a mode. After installing Cellframe Wallet, you can create your own wallet. How to do this, I will explain in the next video.